In this video, we're going to explore what fractions are. We'll talk about why we need them, what they actually mean, and I will give you a quick guide to understand them clearly. If you'd like to go deeper, I've also made a full conceptual lesson with easy, medium, and hard challenge questions. You will find the link in the description. Alright, let's get started. Why we need fractions? Have you ever wanted just a piece of a pizza instead of the whole thing? That's exactly why we need fractions. We use them to describe parts or pieces that are smaller than one whole. So what are fractions? Fractions are parts of a whole. They show a whole divided into equal parts. But here is the most important rule you must remember. The parts must be all equal. If the pieces aren't the same size, it isn't a proper fraction. Let's look at the fractions. Here we have 1/8. A fraction has three important parts. First, the fraction line separates the numbers. The bottom number is the denominator. It tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. Here the whole is divided into 8 equal parts. Then the top number is the numerator. It tells us how many of those parts we have. Here we have one part. So this fraction is called 1/8. Let's try another one. What fractions of the shape is shaded? First, check carefully. Are all the parts equal? Yes. Now follow the steps. Step 1, draw a fraction line. Step 2, the denominator, count how many equal parts are divided into. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 equal parts, so we write 4 as the denominator. Step 3, the numerator. We count how many parts we have. 1, 2. So we write 2 as the numerator. So that's 2/4 or 2/4. Let's practice the steps again. What fractions of the shape is shaded? Always remember the steps. First, we check, are all the parts equal? Yes. Then we draw a fraction line. Then we count how many equal parts are divided into. That's the denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 for our denominator. Then we count how many parts we have. That's the numerator. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 again. So when the numerator and the denominator are the same, it equals to one whole. So the answer is 4/4 or one whole. So remember, when numerator equal to denominator, it equals one whole. Whether it's 2/2 or 4/4 or 8/8, they all make one whole. Ready to practice? Let's go. What fractions of the shape is shaded? Step 1, we need to check if all the parts are equal. Yes, they are equal. Then we draw a fraction line. Step 2, write the denominator. We count how many parts are divided into. 1, 2. So we write 2 as the denominator. Finally, for the numerator, we count how many parts we have. It's 1. So the answer is 1/2 or 1/2. Another example, look at the shape. Check if all the parts are equal. Yes, they are all equal. Then we draw a fraction line. Then we count how many equal parts are divided into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write 5 as a denominator. And we count how many parts we have. 1, 2. So we write 2 as a numerator. So the answer is 2/5 or 2/5. Let's review what we learned today. Fractions show pieces smaller than one whole. Always make sure the parts are equal. A fraction has 3 key parts. 1, the fraction line, the line that separates the top and bottom numbers. 2, the denominator, the bottom number. shows how many equal parts the whole is divided into. 3. The numerator, the top number, shows how many parts we have. Here's a tip. If the numerator and the denominator are the same, it's one whole. If you want to learn more, click the link in the description to watch the full lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun math videos. See you next time!